Pump Dog, the clothes I wear to the gym. Pump Dog #1. I'm going to win. Pump Dog, the logo. It's the best. Pump Dog, the fabric. Better than the rest, cause I keep on rhyming. Time after timing. On top of the world, that's where I'm climbing. Big D is my name and I'm so unique. I'm wearing Pump Dog 7 days a week. Yeah, go to Pump Dog. Go to the link in my bio. Go to the link, click on it, shop till you drop, baby. I'm wearing the best product out there. I'm a Pump Dog athlete. I just got finished doing my second bodybuilding contest. I was looking good. I was styling and profiling. If you want to style and profile and look good too, go to Pump Dog, go to the website, go to the link in my bio, hit a discount, type my full name in, and shop until you drop. Big D, y'all. Peace out. Yeah.